So now what we're doing on this fine, wonderful evening, we're cleaning up some equipment, or tractors, that is. Gotta hook up Ross's fertilizer buggy.
Get my truck out of the shot. Oh, no one needs to see this hunk of junk.
And then we're gonna hook up the fertilizer buggy, and then that's probably gonna be all for today, and then we'll continue tomorrow. Probably pick some corn, do some other fun stuff. But yeah, that's what we're doing, cleaning this up, getting it all ready to go so that Ross can drive it.
Try not to blow another hydraulic hose.
Yeah. Well, we're getting ready to take this back across the road. We're gonna put this up, and then I think they're over there hooking up the fertilizer buggy now. So we're gonna take this back across the road, park it. Hopefully we can find somewhere to put it inside.
No. I'll try. Okay, bye. What? Okay. Bye. What a loser. Could have yelled out the window.
Tractor put away, pickup put away, pickup put away, semi's over there. What time is it? We can clean up after ourselves from where we washed the tractors.
I'd say so.
Clean it up, and then there's a bankment over there that's making me mad, so we're gonna clean that up too. We're gonna use little tractor to clean off the wash pad, then we'll use the mini to clean off the embankment. All right, Ross, don't get this hung up.
I haven't yet, so.
Yeah, you haven't left the farm with it. He's gonna spread fertilizer with it this year. How much you want to bet that he gets it stuck the first time he takes it out? Are you gonna call it second, Ross?
I don't think I'll get this stuck this year.
You don't think you'll get it stuck?
No.
All right, we'll pull this in the shop. We got work to do.
Yep.
Cleaning concrete.
Trying.
So it seems to me as though it's about time to go home. We got Ross's tractor set up for him. Even got the radio in here for him. Even though it probably doesn't work because 90% of ours here at the farm don't. So yeah, we probably need some new ones. Screen's all set up. Got them. Come on, focus, buddy. Yeah, we got it all set up for him in there. So, are you happy?
Somewhat.
Somewhat. Now you just gotta clean your cab.
Yeah, I know, it's dirty.
It is dirty.
There's a freaking honey bun in here.
Honey bun. So we're now down in the combine, picking corn on this nice, beautiful morning. Probably gonna pick all day. I don't know, unless Dad wants his combine back, but we got this field to finish up. There's probably about 40 acres here, 30, 40 acres here. Get that finished up here pretty quick. Then we gotta go down the road. There's another 40 acre field. I think we'll be able to leave the head on and just go across these fields out here that we got opened up. But I don't know about that yet, so hopefully we do. I don't want to take the head off, especially this one, because the corn combine, the corn head has 2 PTO shafts basically, so it doesn't bother me that much, but it just takes time, and I don't get to sit in the cab. I remember whenever I was little, Dad would always make me go out and do it, and I'd always struggle, and I'd sit there and I'd pull on it for like hours, but not anymore. I'm a big kid now. The one thing that I am noticing about this harvest so far is after the spring that we had with the weather being so wet, we basically went anytime we could drag a planter across the field. And the one thing I'm really starting to notice is we're probably gonna have to do a lot of groundwork in our cornfields, because there's a lot of ruts out here. Not really ruts, it's just more or less where the water had washed down in between corn rows. So probably gonna have to figure out a way to just come through and do it pretty quick. We got that one land weasel thing that we call it. It might do it, but we also got that disc. I mean, just doing the ends would be enough probably, because it isn't that rough like in the actual long rows of the fields so far. Could go whenever we go up north though, it'll be a little bit different because it's not as bad up there. Might be a year to do some more cover crop than what we normally do, to change a little bit of some stuff up just to kind of preserve our ground, because over the winter if we get a lot of snow and stuff, it'll wash away a lot of this, not really the topsoil, but more or less where we got irrigation ruts, it'll wash them down and they'll just get worse. I mean, over the years we have some that we come in and we fill in. That's why we got that mini excavator. We use it, we love it all the time, or we love it, we use it all the time. So it's nice having that mini excavator around though, for sure. It's a handy tool, but I don't know, something to think about, something else to think about, I guess. Another thing, I've had a lot of questions about the row sense on this combine and the corn head. Now, I love the row sense because it gives you one less thing to do. It's really nice, but it only works whenever you're going straight. I mean, if you're not going straight, then it doesn't work very good. This, we don't really have that many issues with it, more or less, but it does not go around corners for you, and yeah, that kind of sucks, but yeah, it's understandable also. I mean, who knows, in 20 years it might be able to, but with how technology is improving, and I mean, I see it every day. From what my grandpa had, we had an old tractor there at the farm. I'm gonna have to do a video on it sometime. But from that old truck to now, or from that old tractor to now, just the size difference in 50 years is insane. So I don't know, but it sure is interesting. And we love having the row since. My dad does, especially because, well, we're covering a lot of acres. So whenever you're covering all these acres, you need to be able to relax a little bit. And me and Ross was talking earlier, and you know, we're basically about halfway done with corn already, now that we think about it. But yeah, well, we just got that field done. Now we're gonna pick some beans. Just kidding. We're going over here to get the other head wagon, the one for the corn head, and then we're gonna go over to the next farm, which is right down the road. Basically, they're getting ready to move these trucks. Probably move my pickup over there too. Maybe, I don't know, but you get my point. That's what we're doing. The 97 Max now out of the shop. We're getting ready to hook it back onto one of the hopper bottoms to get the 88 Mac off. This one's got a good air conditioner in it and a good radio, so hopefully we don't tear it up in the next couple of weeks. But we're gonna switch this truck out, and then whenever one of the guys who works for us gets back here, he's gotta go home, I'm gonna switch him out and drive his truck for the rest of the day. Well, the old girl's retired again for now. Give her another week and I guarantee you she'll be back on the road. Oh, I love that truck. But it doesn't have air conditioning and it doesn't have a radio in it. So, to make it the most comfortable, we're gonna go ahead and park it and put the 97 on there. It has air conditioning and all that stuff. So make it better for them to drive and easier on them for now. Well, me and Ross are out here. We're dumping the truck right now. We're gonna go drive truck. I'm gonna drive truck. He's gonna drive truck. So he gets the GoPro. Yeah. We just made it down here and switched trucks. There's only one issue that we might wind up having. This hill. It's definitely going to be a struggle for this truck. We haven't been up it yet with this truck, so cross your fingers and hope that we make it. Just put the pedal to the floor, I guess. Oh, this ain't that bad. With enough speed, enough RPMs. Oh, start to lose RPMs. Whew, a little rough. Oh, we made it. We've made it. This thing is a tank. Woo-hoo. to use this whenever I was a kid. Look at that. Put it right in half. Oh well. Ain't nothing you can do about it. I like this crank better anyways, because actually a lot easier. But whenever I was a kid, we used to have only Wilson hopper bottoms, and if you're a fan, or if you know how these hopper bottoms work, then you know that this is a Wilson hopper bottom by an old style one. We had 3 of these a long time ago, and now we have almost all Timties, and this is the only Wilson trailer we got. Also, because we're running short on handles, I'm gonna stick this one back in here in case we have issues down the road with this truck, because you never know what might happen, and you might have to unhook the truck driving down the road. So we always make sure we have handles in the trucks just in case.
So as I'm waiting on Alex to get back. They're coming here and work on my fertilizer spreader a little more. I jacked it up on both sides, checked the wheel bearings. What I do, I take out jack, the boards, put it right here, lift them up, and I take the tires and rock back and forth and side to side to make sure they're under plane and make sure I don't have to tighten up the bearings or anything.
I found an issue to my biggest problem with GoPros. Every day, I have my GoPros freeze on me about 30 times. Different battery. The other ones are black. This one it seems to be a little bit thicker too than the other ones, so hopefully, just hopefully, it will continue to work as it should. I hope it does, because I am running out of ideas to fix this issue, and the only thing I can think of is that battery's bigger, and I have had 0 issues with it since I started using that battery. So yeah, they came out for the Hero 8. The Hero 8 isn't out yet, I don't think, so I don't know, it'll be interesting to see whenever it comes out, because I might get one if everything goes good. Anyways, that is going to be all for today's video. It was a pretty fun video. Had a lot of different things in it, I guess. Anyways, remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you enjoy it. I don't care. I always have fun making these videos. It makes me happy that someone likes what we as farmers are doing, and that people are watching it and enjoying it. So, anyways, well, I shut off the light already. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about the video. Hit that bell notification button if you want to get notified whenever we post another video. And I guess that we will see you guys in the next video. This should be Sunday's video, so that means it'll be Wednesday. Posting every Wednesday and Sunday, just so in case you're new, because I've had a lot of new people in the last couple days. So anyways, I guess we'll see you guys in the next video.